Welcome to Effective Learning in the 21st Century, Descriptive Statistical Analysis presentation. The problem of effective learning has always been challenging. Learning any subject matter can be complex if you do not understand how to develop the skills to learn effectively. Research by Bernstein and Associates in 2008 demonstrated that learning takes 70% on the job, 20% before being trained, and 10% in instructional courses. Our goal of the descriptive statistical analysis is to provide insight and summaries on learning design and strategies to improve instructional design and materials for effective learning. The descriptive statistical analysis will explore the views, experiences, beliefs, and motivations of individuals and how they learn today. The statistical data will provide simple summaries of the random sampling and measurements. The survey that we used for the effective learning in the 21st century consisted of 8 questions to obtain a random sampling. We collected a total of 18 randomly selected respondents. We had 49 views, 16 completed surveys, 2 incomplete surveys, and a total responses of 18. Our collected sources identifiers were 2 survey links and a web pop-up. Each collection identifier was strategically placed in community portals and social media outlets to identify what type of collaborative engagements our respondents preferred. The data collected source analysis, we found out that most of our respondents that completed the survey were placed on the social media outlets, while the other links and web pop-up were placed in community portals and websites where no one responded. Raw data collected from the survey was clean, created the necessary variables and formatting variables so that we can identify our percentages and count type of summaries. Other summary types that we used were pivot table views from the raw data collected. The best method of learning was classroom instructor-led. Most users feel classroom instructor-led is still vital to effective learning, while online student-centered and online self-paced was not too far behind. The preferred device for learning was the desktop and laptop, while there was few percentages for smartphone and tablet. But that could be due to that most of the respondents from the ages of 46 to 69. The preferred learning style, most of the respondents still love the blended combination of other style, visual, verbal, physical, and social, and more collaborative type of learning style for learning. Most respondents were professional workers, work from home, retirees. Most of our respondents were from the age of 46 to 69 and 31 to 45. We also designed another data visualization tool called the infographic, and it basically broke down the different statistics based on our survey questions. The student-centered learning opens up new ideas for more creative ways to strategize to improve the instruction design, materials, and implement changes for a great learning environment. Observation from the statistical analysis summaries is clear more individuals want a more blended form of learning styles, and individuals still love the hands-on approach to learning. 100% of the respondents believe prior learning, interactive, social, and collaborative learning environments are helpful to learn effectively. When a learner is self-regulated, it improves goal setting, self-discipline, relationship skills, and drawing from one's think tank can make the student learn better.